Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this trapezoid A, B, C, D, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this side AB length is 8 units, whereas the base BC is 12 units. And moreover, this angle ABC is 60 degrees. And furthermore, these angles are our 90 degrees angles. And now our task is to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step, since we are interested in calculating the area of this trapezoid ABCD. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to height h times the sum of these bases a plus b all over 2. And here this CD is our height h. Our base a is going to be this length. I'm going to label it as base lowercase a. And this side BC is going to be our base lowercase b. And now we can see that our lowercase base b value is 12. However, our a value is unknown, and likewise our height h is unknown. So therefore now our task is to find the value of lowercase a and the value of height lowercase h as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this angle is our 60 degrees angle. So therefore we are going to draw some auxiliary lines to make our job simple. And here we have dropped this perpendicular AE on this base BC. And as a result we are ended up with this right triangle AEB. And now let's focus on this right triangle AEB. And now let's recall the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of three interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. And here this angle in this triangle is our 90 degrees angle. This angle is our 60 degrees angle. So therefore this angle BAE has got to be our 30 degrees angle. So therefore we can see that this triangle AEB is our 30, 60, 90 degrees special triangle. And now I'm going to go over the basic review. And now let's focus on this triangle AEB. And we can see this is our special 30, 60, 90 triangle. And now let's make an observation. We can see this 30 degrees is our smallest angle, whereas this angle, which is 90 degrees, is our largest angle. So therefore the side opposite to this smallest angle is going to be our smallest leg, and the side opposite to this largest angle is going to be our longest leg, and that leg is also called the hypotenuse. So therefore in such kind of special 30, 60, 90 triangle, the longest leg is always twice the smallest leg. If the smallest leg is 1, then the longest leg has got to be 2, and third leg is going to be the square root of 3. And in general, if I label this smallest leg as our side lowercase a, then the longest leg is going to be 2 times a, and this third leg has got to be a times the square root of 3. And now let's revert our attention back to our given problem. And here we can see this BE is our smallest leg, whereas this hypotenuse AB is our longest leg. And since our longest leg is 8 units, so therefore the smallest leg BE is going to be half of that one, is going to be 4 units. And this third leg has got to be 4 times the square root of 3. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this AE length equal to this CD length. Both are the heights, and this length is 4 times square root of 3. So therefore our height h turns out to be 4 times the square root of 3. And furthermore, we know that this whole base BC is 12 units, and this segment BE is 4 units. So therefore this remaining segment EC length has got to be 12 minus 4 is going to give us 8 units. And now we can see that this base AD length is going to be equal to this segment EC length, and we know our EC length is 8 units. So therefore our this AD base length turns out to be 8 units as well. So thus our base A value turns out to be 8. Our height h value turns out to be 4 times square root of 3. And our base B value is 12. And here is our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula once again. Area equals to height h times the sum of the bases A and B all over 2. And our here height is 4 times square root of 3. Base A is 8. And finally the base B turns out to be 12. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. Our height is 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2 times our A value is 8 plus B value is 12. And here we can see 8 plus 12 is going to give us 20 in the parentheses. And at the same time 4 divided by 2 is going to give us simply 2. So therefore we could write this one as 2 times the square root of 3 times 20. And now we are going to multiply them out. So that is going to give us 40 times the square root of 3 square units, the area of this trapezoid ABCD. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this trapezoid ABCD turns out to be 40 times square root of 3 square units. And that's going to be approximately equal to 69.28 square units as well. So thus the area of this trapezoid ABCD turns out to be 40 times the square root of 3 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.